Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. And on this video demo, we are going to apply a wallpaper to our smartwatch. Okay, so this wearable do have a lot of features, as you can see here, including downloading or installing wallpaper on the smartwatch. Not the watch face, but wallpaper. So we have here, let me show it to you. It's not the watch face, but the background on your menus, as you can see here. If you want to know, or if you want to learn how to apply this on the smartwatch, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin. Again, we are already paired with the Wear Fit Pro application, as you can see here. Okay, so let's just wait. This is what I don't like about this application. There's a lot of ads and you really have to wait for it. So let's wait for it to load. Then we'll proceed with the dashboard for our HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. Okay, so the dashboard has been loaded. If you want to add a wallpaper on your smartwatch, just go to the wallpaper section. So we have here the custom screensaver. Just select wallpaper here. We have an album dial and menu wallpaper. Okay, you can go directly here or here. Okay, menu wallpaper, as you can see, our own wallpaper. You can also add your own, or you can download here from the different categories. Some are for sale, some are free. Let's go first with a free wallpaper. Let's look for a unique wallpaper here. Let's go with a cool technology. Okay, let's have this one, feature police. Then as you can see, we do have the size here and number of installation. So tap on install. Okay, it's now installing. As you can see, our smartwatch here switched to download mode. So we do have a progress bar here. Okay, I guess this will just going to be short. It will be installed right away. And we have the wallpaper in our smartwatch, as you can see. Nice. So there's a lot of options here. We have the cool technology. Going back. So different categories. We have landscape architecture. We have poetic, and as you can see, this one. So most of the wallpaper here is for sale. Starry night painting. Limited options here. The secret realm of heaven and earth. Okay, heaven and earth, dazzling and shining. Then cool technology. Okay, if you want to add your own, again, go back to the custom screensaver. This is album dial. Tap on menu wallpaper. Tap, and it will load the camera roll or the gallery. For example, we want this one. Select this. Okay, select the photo here, crop. Tap on check, and we have here the image. Then tap on installation. Please select menu background. So this is the preview, and tap on installation. And it's now installing. So let's wait for it to finish. Again, we do have the progress bar here. 50%, 60, 70, and we have our wallpaper, okay, for the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. Okay, beautiful screen here and a beautiful feature, very good feature for our HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. So that's it for our tutorial on how to add your own or download your own wallpaper, as well as free wallpaper for the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. If you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe to support our channel so that we can continue providing more information about the latest smartwatches and features of smartwatches in the market. Again, drop a comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.